Hello friends, today we will learn about computer. Hi, I am a computer. I am an electronic machine like a TV, mobile phone, washing machine. I don't think on my own. I follow your instructions. I can do many jobs. Writing letter, doing calculation. I can play videos and show you pictures. I can play music. I can connect to the world from internet. I work very fast and I'm very easy to use. I use that for office, bank, school, hospitals. Anyone can learn a computer. Children, elders, parents. Computer is a machine that helps us to do work easily and quickly. Hope you like this video. Subscribe to Doodle Doo.